What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. Before we get into today's content, man, I just wanted to let you guys know that you guys have chose for the black bike to be raffled off first, and then you guys pick the color. And then it looks like we're going to be raffling this thing off first, guys. You guys chose option 2, which is to raffle it off first and let the winner pick the color. So be sure to tune into the raffle right now. It is live. $100 a ticket, 125 slots. We're gonna be painting this thing up whatever color the winner wants, and then we'll be shipping it to you wherever you're at in the country. So make sure you, if you're interested in winning the bike done pretty much any way you want it, make sure you go grab a ticket, man. The raffle is gonna sell out fast. We only have 125 tickets. That's gonna cover everything. It's gonna get you a new bike. It's gonna get you the color you want, and then it's gonna get shipped to your crib, right to your door, man. So without further ado, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you are interested in a raffle, man, be sure to hit the link below and go get your raffle ticket today, because if you guys were tuned in to the last raffle, man, them things sold out in like 3 days, and it was more tickets. So it's less tickets. We're gonna get it done, man. I can't wait to see who wins this, man. So if you're looking at this right now, the raffle is live, man. So be sure to check that out. Let's get back to the content now, Dale, shall we?
A whole lot going on up here. A whole lot of action. It's where it's at. Oh, it's jumping out here. That's crazy. It's jumping out here, dog. Damn, this where it's at. Jeez. Golly. This shit looks crazy. Go all the way to the back. Golly. That's crazy, dog. Yeah, it's a grip of that's a grip of people, grip of bikes down there just waiting. Sheesh is going up, dog. Well, the police is coming now. They like, all right, man, I guess we can move now. Time for the po-po. Yeah, eat it. Highway patrol heated.
What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart. From how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it and you could too.
Boy, they coming out, ain't they? Look. I'm fucking dying. I'm fucking dying. That was funny. That nigga had them boots pointing to the sky, nigga. Right? Look at this chopper right here. Chopper game. That's pretty dope. That thing is bright. Golly. That shit's dope. Cracking down there, boy. Rick's busted down. Give her a sticky.
just one thing, that's why they keep on flying. I ain't I'm talking 20 times, man, these niggas high. How I'm playing now, I'm throwing bullets, I'm niggas mad.
Write these songs and say before long, you gon' right these wrongs.
This motherfucker is hard. That shit go. I fucks with it. Next morning here, man, it was freaking late as heck when I got in last night. It's funny. I took the bike all the way to Bakersfield. Didn't even take it off the truck. It was just so many bikes and stuff and so much going on. It was really no need to take it off and ride because it was just so much going on. So I'm like, heck, I'll just keep it on the trailer. But pretty cool. I guess we pulled up. Looking good and whatnot, but truck is completely toast, man. We was in dirt literally all day yesterday, so that wash I did was kind of pointless. But I'm gonna go ahead and offload this bike real quick. I want to go to the city just because it ain't nothing to do out here today, but I'm gonna kind of chill back for a while, man. I'm tired of putting so much gas in this truck, so I'm gonna wait till I get another bike to really go back to the city. Like, the inside of this thing is so dirty. Alrighty, man, got this thing offloaded. Pretty much done data for that for the day. I might ride it later on, but we do got the wrap around here. Thinking I just want to go get this thing blacked out, like a nice gloss black. I don't know, this pinstriping is kind of throwing me off of just going all black, but I don't know, man. Don't know, dog.